Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of a great hair cutting kit for men. This is the OVLUX, OVLUX brand. This is the LX9905 professional hair cutting system. And the unit comes with a really nice instruction manual written in multiple languages and a warranty registration. You get a 1-year warranty for this unit. And also contact information for this great company is also included on the card. Comes with everything you see in the kit right here. Has a holder just for the unit itself, and then a holder that will hold that plus everything you see here in front of you. It has the shaver and 6 different attachments to control the depth of the cut from 1/2 inch to 1/16 of an inch. Has some oil and a cleaning brush and a very nice quality AC to DC adapter with a custom plug. So first thing I'm going to show you is how to charge this unit up. So it's very easy to charge this unit. You take the included charging cable, plug the other end into the wall, and this end plugs only one way into the back of the unit. See, the display comes on and there's a little red LED right there. I'll block this so you can see a little better, and that's telling you that it is charging, and that's going to turn to green when it's finished charging. Now you could use this while it's in this mode, just like that, and it'll work using the adapter power, which is really nice in case you ever discharge it. So it finished charging, and you can see the display went from red to blue, and to 100%. You see the 100 right there on the display, letting you know that it has 100% of the energy left in the batteries. Very nice to have that information. So let's take a nice close-up here of this unique shaver. Now this thing has some weight to it, very, very heavy duty. You notice it has a holder on the back, and this is all stainless steel. And I have a calibrated magnet right here, and there's absolutely nothing attracting to this. And what that means for you as a consumer is this is never going to rust because it has no iron oxide in it. Has a nice knurled section right there along with that clip. I love how they got the switch here. Very heavy duty feeling, and you're not going to accidentally trip that. And then it has this really cool display on here, and if you look, the display comes on, gives you a little green there, and it tells you what percentage of the power is left. So here's 99%. So you go all the way down to 50-40%, it's still going to run. And what's neat about this is that the included adapter will run this unit if you totally discharge it. So you can power this unit from the adapter, and then when you stop using it, it'll start charging. That display also, as I showed, has charging indicators on there. Now, one other thing that it has on there is on the left-hand side, there is a little oil indicator light. And what that means is that they're going to measure the resistance of this thing as it's going in motion under no load, and when it gets to a point where this needs to be oiled, the little oil symbol is going to come on. That's pretty neat. So this is just very rugged. Now you also notice that it has this nice ability to change the angle of the cut right there, how close the cut is to the moving blade. So on every shaver that's out there, you have a moving blade, which is the blade that's closer to me right here, and you have an outer blade. So this adjustment allows you to go as close as a 1/16 of an inch to that cutting blade, or further away you can go about 3/16, almost 1/4 of an inch away, depending on what you want to cut. Now there is a whole section about aligning in the manual, and basically you want to align this thing and make sure that it is parallel to it, like this when you're putting the blade in there. And you want to make sure that when you have this thing fully close to it, it's about a 32nd of an inch away, because you don't want that cutting blade to be going against your skin. So right now, on that closest setting, I can put my finger right here, I can put a balloon right here, it wouldn't pop it. So that's all you want to make sure, and that's what you want for safety, and it still cuts beautifully like that. You don't have to go any closer to your skin, not necessary. Now this has a very advanced motor inside there, and it's a DC motor, and it has an internal lithium ion battery, so that it's totally rechargeable, and it's all oversized, the battery, so that it's going to give you a really long amount of shaving time on this unit. I think this thing is very, very durable. Are on here. They have a nice stainless steel plate on them telling you the number and the size of it, and it has this clip on the back, that's stainless steel, that is sonically welded into there, and it's very simple to put on. You just place it right there and it clips on just like that. Then removing it, they have this nice tab. I have so many other shavers where I spend so much time removing it because they didn't put any tab like this. This is so easy to remove it. Very nice. Now, you could also not use any of one of these offsets, and then you could shave right up to your skin. And I'll just give you an example right there. I'll just cut a little of my hair right there, and it totally removes your hair if you want to do that. So very, very nice quality. When you're using the oil that it came with, what you want to do is you want to put it right along the cutting portion, and you want to keep this thing in a downward position like that. You don't want the oil to necessarily fall all the way back. It will fall into that, and as you turn it on, it will actually lubricate and distribute that oil. And I'm going to demonstrate me cutting my own hair with it so that you see how easy it is during this COVID to keep yourself all trimmed. Okay, so I'm going to be cutting my hair with the OVLUX shaver, and I'm going to be using the number 2 size and number 3 size. Now I'm looking at a mirror so that I can see as I'm cutting my hair. And this size is 6mm and 10mm. So the first size I'm going to use is for lowering the hair. Now I'm going to go all the way around, and my hair gets thick on the sides. So I'm going to do the back also. And the point here I'm showing is that you could cut your hair yourself. You could have somebody help you, but you don't need to. And with this virus going around, you could avoid going to the barber and still get a great haircut. Now, my hair grows a certain way, so I'm going to go forward, just like that. Now I'm going to take it out using that nice little clip on there. Now I'm going to put the closer one, which is the 6mm, and I'm just going to do the sides. Slowly work up, but don't go up anymore. Now I'm going to take all the offsets off, and I'm going to do and over my ears just like that. And I can trim my sideburns right here, right here also. And that's basically it. How quickly you could clean up and get your hair looking much, much nicer. So what's my overall opinion about the OVLUX, their LX9905 professional men's shaver? Well, you see with this kit, you get everything that you're going to need, the holding bags, all the different offsets that you're going to possibly need to cut your hair, the oil, a cleaning brush, and the unit itself and a charger. This is a great unit. It's got a really good feel to it, and as I showed, it cut my hair beautifully. I love the display. I love the fact that it shows you it needs to be oiled and how much time you have, what the percentage of the charge is on that display. Very nice. The full adjustment on here, the neat switch, and the fact that it's quiet. That's a quiet shaver. And this is not only for men. I'm going to show you a picture. I cut my wife's hair just yesterday, and it came out really beautiful. So you could also do women's hair with this. It's not just for men. And of course, you could sculpt your body. You could remove body hair with it also by not using any offset on there. So I'm going to give this great product a full 5-star rating. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to alert to new video uploads. And if you like this review, please hit the like button. I hope the information I presented helped you with your buying decisions. Thanks for watching.